Young Leaders takes place in Wadham College in Oxford. Wadham College is a historic college in the centre of Oxford, but this year we'll be using the Dorothy Wadham Annex on Iffley Road. The Annex itself is a brand new purpose-built facility which opens in September 2019, so Bucksmore will have exclusive usage. Young Leaders is different to other summer schools for a variety of reasons. One of the main reasons that Young Leaders is different is because of the material that students study on a weekly basis. The material is current and up to date, so the syllabus is rewritten every year based on current world events. Young Leaders is a course for students who are looking for something different in their summer. Young Leaders teaches students the skills they need for the future.
The classes are quite small, which I think is very good. It's very effective because in that way every student is a part of the lessons.
The best thing about studying here is the learning, because I feel like it's very different from where I come from.
The key skills that students should be developing are leadership, time management, negotiating skills, debating skills, public speaking, speech writing, and project management.
Everything comes down to you. So that kind of opportunity is something you don't get at school. And the best thing is it doesn't feel like school.
Young Leaders is for ambitious, forward-thinking and motivated students who want to spend their summer having once-in-a-lifetime experience to develop their key skills for the future.
I didn't only improve my English skills, but I also got amazing experience of working as a team.
Students have the opportunity to study law, politics, United Nations, journalism, business or marketing.
For the United Nations project, for example, they are assigned a particular country.
We have to find out the position of our country, what they think about environmental problems and especially global warming.
By the end of the week, they then take part in a Model United Nations Summit.
I've become a lot more confident in public speaking. I totally feel like I could stand up and do a speech in front of a lot of people now, which I may not have thought before I came here.
Before I came, I was a very shy person. I didn't like public speaking. My voice got shaky when I spoke in front of a large crowd. Young Leaders has literally changed my life.
It's almost like a once-in-a-lifetime experience because we learn so many things we'll be able to use later in our lives.
I believe that learning should also be fun, and that's what this course does.
Everyone's my friend here. They're all so friendly and nice.
For those who are thinking whether to come to this course or not, I'll say, don't think, just come. You'll enjoy it.